Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce you to Silicone-Free Detailer. This addition to our detailer lineup is specifically suited for personal or professional applications where you intend to leave nothing behind on your paint finish. Silicone-Free Detailer is a high lubricity detail spray that safely loosens and eliminates dust, fingerprints, compound or polish residue, pollen, and bird droppings to maintain a brilliant finish on paint, chrome, and trim. Formulated for ease of use, it leaves no streaks or residue, making it ideal for paint assessments or as a final wipe down. The specialized formula contains no silicone, making it body shop safe and suitable for use on fresh paint or around vehicles that are being prepped for refinishing. The pure nature of Silicone-Free Detailer makes it safe for all finishes, including clear coat, matte and satin finishes, paint protection film, and all other exterior surfaces. It is also a great solution for maintaining ceramic coated surfaces, as it leaves nothing behind that's going to affect the performance of the coating. For quick detailing purposes, simply mist it over the surface section by section and wipe in straight line motions with a plush or ultra plush edgeless microfiber towel. Frequently rotating to a clean side of the towel, use a separate towel, ideally a PFM detailing towel, to buff the surface dry and swap to a new towel when one becomes saturated. Silicone-Free Detailer is also perfectly suited as a clay lubricant and works seamlessly with Griot's Garage synthetic clay tools or traditional paint cleaning clay. For using as a clay lubricant, spray the panel liberally and glide over the lubricated surface with your synthetic clay pad, surface prep mitt, or paint cleaning clay with light pressure in straight overlapping passes. Repeat as necessary until the surface is nice and smooth, then buff dry with a PFM terry weave or detailing towel and move on to the next section. Griot's Garage Silicone-Free Detailer is a simple and effective approach to keeping your vehicle looking pristine. When you need a safe, effective, easy to use solution that leaves nothing behind to worry about interfering with future processes, look no further. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.